Hello everyone, this is Teacher Marge and welcome to another maths lesson video. Today we will be discussing about multiplying and dividing integers at magpo-focus tayo sa rule of signs. Ano ba yung rule of signs na ito? Importanteng malaman natin yung rule of signs pag nagmo-multiply at nagdi-divide ng integers kasi this will tell us whether the product or the quotient o yung number na lalabas dun sa computation natin ay magiging positive or negative. Kasi magkamali tayo dyan, mali na yung sagot natin kahit tama yung numero na lalabas. Now, paano natin malalaman kung yung product or kung yung quotient ay positive or negative? Ang titignan natin dyan ay yung factors. Pag sinabi nating factors, yun yung mga numbers na i-multiply natin. And yung mga numbers na pinang-multiply natin, pwede rin natin gamitin yan sa division statements or expressions. So, papaano nga yung rule of signs? Kung meron kayong dalawang number na may parehong signs or kaya nakalagay dyan, two like signs, it will give you a positive result. So, halimbawa, nag-multiply kayo, dalawa yung positive. Ang dapat na lumabas, positive. Or kung halimbawa, magmumultiply kayo, dalawang negative. Ang dapat na lumabas na sagot ay positive din. Ganon din pag magdi-divide kayo. Now, paano kung meron kayong dalawang numero na magkaiba yung signs? So, you have two unlike signs. Ang magiging resulta ay negative. So, halimbawa, negative times positive, ang lalabas, negative. Or kung mauna man yung positive, i-multiply nyo sa negative, ang maibibigay din sa inyo dapat na result niyan ay negative. Okay, so suppose we are going to multiply negative 4 times negative 3. Okay. So, pwede tayong mamili. Anong gusto ninyo? Mag-multiply ba muna ng numero or mag-rule of signs kayo? Or kung gusto nyo naman, rule of signs muna bago mag-multiply. Ako, I would prefer rule of signs first bago mag-multiply. Kasi kadalasan, nakakalimutan ng mga bata yung sign. Okay, kapag nagkaroon na sila ng numero. So, mas mainam, rule of signs muna bago tayo mag-compute. So, dito, sa example natin, we have negative 4 and negative 3. Isang negative at isa pang negative. So, we have two numbers with like signs. Sa math, pag sinabing like, pareho. So, two like signs. Parehong negative, ang dapat na maging result ay positive. Then, we proceed to the numbers. 4 times 3 is 12. Ganon din kapag meron tayong parehong positive. So, suppose we have positive 2 times positive 15. We have two positives. Positive times positive, like signs, will give us a positive result. And then, multiply natin yung numbers. 2 times 15 is 30. That is true with division also. If we have, let's say, positive 18 divided by positive 3. Ano ang magiging sagot natin? Apply muna natin yung rule of signs. Positive, positive. Dalawang like signs. So, dahil dalawang like signs yan, ang result natin ay positive. And then we proceed to the numbers. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So, ang result is positive 6. If we have negative 24 divided by negative 6, we apply the rule of signs. Meron tayong dalawang like signs. Dalawa yung negative natin. It will give us a positive result. And then 24 divided by 6 is 4. Okay, so tignan ninyo. Positive lahat ng sagot natin. Bakit positive lahat? Kasi yung pares natin, pares ng negative at saka pares ng positive. Kung pareho silang positive, positive. Kung pareho silang negative, positive pa rin. Paano naman kung halimbawa yung isa positive, yung isa ay negative? Suppose we have negative 8 times positive 2. Okay? Rule of signs muna tayo. Meron tayong isang negative, isang positive. meron tayong dalawang signs involved in multiplication na magkaiba. Sa negative, yung pangalawa ay positive. So, ibig sabihin, yung result natin is a negative number. Then we proceed to multiplication. 8 times 2, that's 16. Kung mauna man yung positive, let's say we have positive 5 times negative 6. Okay? Rule of signs, unlike two unlike signs will give us a negative result. So positive and negative, negative. Then 5 times 6 is 30. Again, that is true with division. Suppose we have negative 12 divided by positive 3. Okay? Rule of signs, negative and positive unlike. So it's negative. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4. If we have positive 50 divided by negative 2. Okay? Rule of signs, positive and negative unlike, then the result is negative. Then 50 divided by 2 is 25. Now, what if meron na kayong higit sa dalawang numero na i-multiply? So, halimbawa, negative 2 times negative 3 times negative 5 times negative 6. Okay? Apat na yan. So, paano natin gagamitin yung rule of signs dyan? Una, pwede natin gawin yan 2 signs at a time. So, kuha muna tayo ng pares, decide. Kuha ulit tayo ng isang pares, decide. Okay? Tapos, yung mga natira, ganun uli ang gagawin natin. So, paano yon? Halimbawa, ito, negative, negative. So, negative and negative, positive. Yung pangalawa natin, negative, negative, negative and negative, positive. Okay? So, dalawa pa yung signs natin. Positive and positive will come up with positive. So, ibig sabihin, yung result natin is a positive number. So, after we have decided on the sign of our final answer, saka tayo mag-carry out ng operation natin, whether it's division or multiplication. So, since multiplication ito, we have 2 times 3, that's 6, times 5 is 30, times 6 is 180. So, our answer is positive 180. Paano naman kung halimbawa, we have negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 3 times negative 1 times negative 4. Yung 5 na yan. Okay. So, paano ang gagawin natin dyan? So, we take 2 signs at a time. So, negative and negative, positive. Negative and negative, positive. O, ma'am, paano po yun? May natira. O, mamaya natin ipares yan. Okay? May papares natin yan. Dito muna tayo sa dalawang ito. Positive and positive is positive. Okay? And then, saka natin yan ipares. Ito. Ito, at saka yan, will give us negative. So, that means our final answer should be a negative number. And what is that negative number? 2 times 2, that's 4, times 3 is 12, times 1 is 12, times 4 is 48. So, it's negative 48. Ma'am, lagi po bang ganyan? Oo, laging ganyan. Ma'am, paano kung may positive at may negative? Ganun pa rin, magpapares-pares kayo. Pero there is a technique that can help you determine whether your answer is a positive number or a negative number. Ang gagawin lang natin ay magbibilang tayo ng mga negative factors or negative numbers dun sa ating multiplication expression or dun sa ating division expression. Paano yon? Okay, so ganito yon. Bilangin natin kung ilan yung negative factors na meron tayo dun sa ating expressions. So, bilangin natin. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have here 4 negatives. Okay. 4 negatives. 4 yung negative factors natin or yung 4 yung negative numbers natin. Now, tignan natin yung 4. 4 is a number that is even. Okay? It's divisible by 2. So, even siya. Kapag yung bilang ng negatives ninyo ay even number, then the result should be positive. Kaya yung result natin doon ay positive. Now, papaano naman kung hindi even? So, kagaya ng second example natin, bilangin natin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 negatives. Dahil 5 yung negative numbers na ginamit natin sa multiplication, and 5 here is an odd number. Odd number yung 5. Ibig sabihin, ang result dapat ay negative. Kaya yung ating final answer ay negative 48. So, ma'am, bakit po hindi natin binibilang yung positive? Kasi kahit magkaroon kayo ng napakaraming positive numbers na iminumultiply, basta lahat yon ay positive, kahit 2 yon, 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, basta lahat yon ay positive, ang magiging result ninyo ay positive. What makes your product or your quotient negative is the negative. Okay? Yung mga negative numbers ang makakapagpabago ng inyong resulta at gagawin niyang negative. So, paano yon? Kaya yun ang babantayan ninyo. Kaya ang binibilang lang natin ay yung negative numbers. Okay, so paano naman kung halimbawa yung multiplication at saka division ay pinagsama? So, halimbawa, we have negative 4 times negative 2 times negative 5 divided by 10. Let's say we have 10. Negative 4 times negative 2 times negative 5 divided by 10. Ano yung resulta natin? Okay, let's apply the rule of signs. Okay, dala-dalawa. So, gamitin natin yung dala-dalawa muna. We have negative and negative, positive. And then we have negative and a positive. We have negative. Positive and negative, negative. So, ang magiging sagot natin ay negative number. Kung ayaw ninyong gawin yan, gamitin natin yung pagbibilang. Bilangin natin ng mga negative numbers. Ilan yung negative integer natin dito sa expression natin ng multiplication at saka division? We have yung negative 4, negative 2, and negative 5. We have 3 negatives. Okay? And 3 is odd. Since odd yung bilang ng ating mga negatives dun sa ating expression, ang result dapat ay negative. So, ayun. Kaya negative siya. Then we carry out the operation. Now, we follow the PEMDAS. The GEMDAS rule. Okay? Recall the GEMDAS rule. MD. Yung multiplication and division are of the same priority. Ibig sabihin, gagawin natin sila as they come from left to right. So, ang tingin natin mula ang kaliwa pa kanan. Ganon tayo magko-compute dahil they are of the same level. So, negative 4 times 2 is 8 times 5 is 40 divided by 10 is 4. So, our final answer is negative 4. I hope you learned something from this lesson video. Kung kailangan ninyong ulitin uli ito, panoorin uli para mas makita ninyo kung paano ginagamit yung rule of signs sa pagmumultiply and pagdi-divide ng integers, then feel free to do so. Thank you and God bless.